The 2025 Mercedes camper van is redefining luxury travel on wheels. Built on the latest Sprinter chassis, this camper van seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and off-grid capabilities. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time van lifer, the 2025 Mercedes camper van offers an unparalleled experience. Advanced performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes camper van is powered by an efficient yet powerful turbocharged diesel engine, providing excellent fuel economy and reliability. Paired with a 9-month speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, this van ensures smooth handling on highways and rugged terrain alike. The adaptive suspension system enhances ride comfort, making long journeys more enjoyable. Smart and spacious interior. Step inside and you're greeted with a meticulously designed interior that maximizes space and functionality. High-quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating create a premium atmosphere. The camper van features a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, refrigerator, and sink, allowing you to cook gourmet meals on the go. The convertible sleeping area ensures a restful night, while a compact yet luxurious bathroom with a shower and toilet adds to the convenience. Cutting-edge technology. Mercedes has integrated the latest tech into this camper van, including a 12-inch infotainment system with MBUX voice control, wireless connectivity, and smart navigation. The van is equipped with advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for effortless maneuvering. Solar panels and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery ensure off-grid capabilities, allowing you to explore remote locations without worry. Off-road and off-grid capabilities. Adventure seekers will appreciate the rugged features of the 2025 Mercedes camper van. With its increased ground clearance, off-road tires, and optional 4-wheel drive system, it can handle dirt trails and challenging terrain. The water filtration system, auxiliary power supply, and extra storage compartments make extended trips more convenient. Whether you're heading to the mountains, desert, or coastline, this camper van is built for exploration. Inclusion. The 2025 Mercedes camper van is the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and off-grid capability. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or seeking a weekend escape, this camper van delivers comfort and performance in one package. Stay tuned to Bike Updater Pro for more updates on the latest adventure vehicles.